The situation is dramatical. It's raining like no tomorrow, and we have a big problem. So basically the wind broke our tent. So before we were here camping here, is flooded everywhere. Actually yesterday night was fine, but this morning I woke up and the wind basically broke the pole. I figured out with duct tape. So the tent is too heavy even to remove it. Good morning guys, this is another day. Today we're gonna move from Hari to Franz Josef at least 60 kilometers with some up down, one big uphill. So in the previous day you saw us struggling with the tent. We had a problem, so we can't sleep in the tent when it's raining because our tent pole is too weak. So what we decided to do is to send our old tent, good for winter but not good for summer, in New Zealand, but we're gonna pick up in a month in Christchurch. Our bicycle right here. So basically the problem of today will be the rain. Hopefully we woke up early, so now it's 7:30, probably before 8 we'll be able to leave this room and be on the road. I hope to don't get any rain, and probably we're not gonna pick our tent but sleep in the backpackers just to avoid to bring the tent, and on the next days maybe we will pick the tent again. So what we are waiting, let's go. Let's go. Good morning! Even I say already good morning. So it's 7:50. It's a bit cold. I think there are 10 degrees. The weather seems good. Till 2 o'clock will be fine. I hope it's gonna get warm because in this condition I feel really cold because here we are in dog camp, McDonald dog camp, not that McDonald, right, like this. And well, we avoid for 10 seconds the rain. You can have a look. Outside is raining quite a lot. We are completely wet, tired. We left 16, 13, well 13 kilometers, so we are almost there. Probably 1 o'clock is gonna rain much more, so we have to hurry up to arrive there. Now we take a break, we have our lunch, sorry, we'll go to the toilet. So bless me. Yeah, finally we arrive in Franz Josef. That's all our food. So today backpacked because outside is raining, as I said before. All this stuff for the next days, because 5 days we will be without supermarket. That's why. So nice and today. Finally today is the day. 3 climb, 23 kilometer, probably 5 to 6 hour ride. I hope less, will be very hard. So here pedestrian can go. Wow. Amazing. Look at that. So which part of Italy you come from?
I'm from
Milano. Oh, nice.
I was in Japan until 2 weeks ago.
Ah, davvero?
See,
Oh.
I crossed all Japan. No, I didn't went to Hokkaido, but I was there for the cherries blossom.
Ah, i fiori. Ciliegi in fiore. Fiori di... So you enjoy the downhill?
Yeah, never
Yeah,
actually.
from here, maybe down here.
Yeah. So two.
Hill 2.3.
And down is 3.2. On at the up here 2.7. And after 3.8 down it.
And we arrived. So we did 2 up hills, but I think this one will be really steepy. Last downhill and the last uphill done. So we closed this circle in almost just 4 hours. Not too difficult, we thought very hard. Just one uphill, like 500 meter hard or even less. So overall very good, very good. Ci vediamo, good soon. Bye bye. Take care. We can't go there because the river washed away the road. So I have to find another way. Let's see. From this side I can go. Now it's the single track. From here I have to push. So finally the end, finally everything is finished. It was really tough going near the glacier and not worth it. This is the picture. Well, I'm happy I did it, but it was really hard. So I don't suggest to no one to do it. If you have a bicycle, just wait the good period, because the flooding wash all the bridge, all the road, completely disaster here. So now we're gonna take a rest, maybe build some video, and well, see you tomorrow.